I think I really miss my bed. Oh, when will a nightmare end? I had it good, and yet I left and can't retrace my steps. My You're gonna be eaten by a coyote, run, little one, though the pack may follow. Two quite thin, their brother fatter. Against the wind, just gotta be faster. Run for the yard, they fought at the gutter. That was a route, better find another. Was that a rabbit? Really not like the one I've seen on a cereal box. And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated me? And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated me? Cottontail gonna end up in jail. Wrong place, wrong time, bad tune, but a rhyme didn't line up perfectly to blame the one who was far too tame. And he say out, let me in, let me in, let me out. Stop telling me all about your problems. I've been to hell, still in, get me out. Whatever they are, I don't know how to solve them. Out, let me in, let me in.